Hi everybody. This video I show you how to disassembling on your Nintendo 64 cartridge. You need a homemade game bit screwdriver. You need a cross screwdriver, but a cross slot screwdriver. So first then unscrew the game bit screws. Unscrewing the screw. Next, remove the back cover. Take them. Unscrew two cross screws. Unscrewing cross screw. Take the screws out, removing this shield. Take them and look at this. This chip is a ROM chip, a boot chip, and this is I'm not can't. This Nintendo 64 cartridge, but this is the typical Nintendo 64 cartridge. This is the Nintendo 64 cartridge game. This is the this chip on the game. Thanks for watching. Subscribing my